Today, we're looking at how to use imagery and captions on Instagram to inspire people to book. This is Campsites UK, and as you can imagine, they use Instagram as a bit of a shop window, if you like, to show all the different places where they have campsites across the UK. And naturally, what they want to do is capture the picturesque views and things to do when you go to that campsite. Now, this post is no different. What it does is it showcases an absolutely stunning, beautiful sort of summer holiday destination right here in the UK. And then, as you can see, they've got lots of different images and a bit of a carousel. But basically, it's perfect as people who are maybe less likely to want to go abroad still, or it might be that people just want to do a bit of a staycation. This really, the image really is the showstopper, and it really gives them a window into what it might be like to go and visit Devon. They've then tagged in Devon, so you know that anyone following that location is likely to find it, and anyone, I guess, who's looking for that location through Instagram is going to find it. And then, as you can see here, they really used the timing part of it, so they posted this in January, and then they've done get ready for the hot weather early. So they're talking about, getting you summer ready when, I guess, everyone's maybe feeling a bit miserable at the beginning of the year, especially if they can get a bit of a deal. And then they've done a link in the bio, to basically to go and find out more about booking. So I think the caption really sums up the image. They've given the detail, they've done the showstopper with the image, and then the caption is really inspiring you to book. So really, it's all about making sure that it's directing you to do, there's a call to action, but it's making sure that it's inspiring you enough that would make you go, I want to find out more about this.